A speedy message leaves an impact.
From an artist's perspective to impressionable ears, we'll show you next.
We always have to make decisions, but for children today, choosing between what's right and what's wrong may be more difficult than ever before.
This evening, Eyewitness News reporter Rob Sweeting tells us how a local artist is taking his time to help students get the right message.
Think about decisions and choices here today.
With a sweep of colored chalk, loud music, and lots of light, artist Cliff Beaman tries to guide these kids at Crown Point Elementary along the right path. Beaman fondly refers to this entertaining demonstration as chalk aerobics. In 30 minutes, he turns a blank piece of paper into a colorful message he hopes will reach most of the young minds in the audience. Beaman takes his one-man show to schools around the country. He has a background in art and education and uses both to reach as many kids as possible.
They have a hard time forgetting this, so my idea is to why not do something that's exciting for them and help them remember whatever particular theme we're trying to present at the time.
The picture that he drew was very interesting, and the music and the talking that he had behind the picture was also very interesting.
It showed us if you do drugs, you can die.
30 minutes from the first chalk mark, the picture is complete. And while the clear message is about choices, there's a more serious warning within the mural.
Watch carefully. It could be even a skull and crossbones. It might be death to some.